Welcome to another edition of The Story Behind the Car. I'm with Greg and his father, Jerry, and I've screwed up their name so bad, but they're still willing to do a video. And Greg, this is your 1941 Chevy pickup truck?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
On a 1978 Chevy short wheelbase four-wheel drive truck.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
And how long have you had it?
About 6 years.
Okay. And did you build it, or?
No, actually, Mike Gamble Street Rides helped me with the build.
Okay. And I'm going to walk around and was it like a 3/4 ton truck originally, or
no, it's
half
a
ton?
half-ton truck.
Half ton?
It has a lift kit.
Okay.
6-inch lift kit.
Yeah. Wow. And what drew you to it originally, Greg? Just the uniqueness of it?
Different, yeah.
Yeah.
Very different.
So I had a 41 Chevy I was mentioning to you, and the guy built it out of multiple trucks. And this is really cool. What is your favorite feature of the truck?
Just because it's so different. It's sitting up really high, and the interior is pretty nice. It's probably the nicest thing in the truck.
Oh, wow, yeah. It's amazing how small they were back then. And I'm sure the
it had a standard transmission in it when I bought it.
Oh, really?
And I had a hard time driving it.
Yeah.
Because you don't have a lot of room.
Yeah. And now you have the Lokar shifter?
Yes.
Yeah.
Put an automatic 350, turbocharged 350, or turbo 350.
Okay. And what is the button under is that by the gas pedal, the silver one?
Is
that just a stopper?
Just a stop.
Yes. Very nice. And you said you spent hours washing it and getting ready for the car show.
Hasn't been washed at all this year.
Yeah, other than the windows.
I spent about 5 minutes wiping windows down.
Yeah, that's what's so great about a truck like this. And you can pretty much take this truck anywhere, I guess, huh?
I would imagine, yeah.
Yeah. And when you bought it, was it in pretty much, did they have the...
It was the way you see it. It was already lifted. Somebody else built this truck, and then I rebuilt it. So everything's been redone on the underneath. It's all been gone through.
Okay.
It's all been rebuilt. It's got a 350 crate engine in it, and everything else was rebuilt.
Yes. And
how do you like that box? My wife found that.
Okay.
It's a carpenter's box. It's very nice. It's actually
cool.
got sliding drawers inside.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
She thought it needed a box.
Yeah, that's what's great about it. When your wife was involved, that's always good. I had a bumper just like this. I ended up selling it on on Facebook Marketplace. It took me a while, though.
We put that on there because it did not have a bumper on it when I bought it.
Yeah, and there's not much to that.
And I wanted
bumper,
a hitch on the back so that I could tow like a motorcycle trailer or something.
Okay. Such a cool truck. And when you take it to shows, do you get a lot of people looking at it?
This car gets more attention than I have 2 other cars, and this one gets the most attention.
Does it really?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
You can't pull into a gas station without everybody running over to it.
Yeah.
Because it is so different.
Very cool, and it's 4-wheel drive still.
Yep.
Can we look at the engine?
Sure. It's just a plain old crate engine, but I didn't clean it.
No. Very cool. Yeah, the 41 I had was a Corvette red. I don't remember what color it was called. More of a burgundy, but it was so nice, and
yeah.
Every time I kept it covered. And
who did you sell it to? Because there was a guy in Pacific selling one not too long ago.
I sold it to. I'm trying to think of that consignment place over on the east side. I can't think of the name of it, but I put it over there, and I think a guy out of Texas actually bought it. But it's probably been 10 years ago or so.
Yeah.
And the grill, instead of having the chrome grill, the guy that I bought it from had painted it.
Yeah.
And I just love these lights with the turn indicator there.
Yeah, it's so exaggerated, you know.
Yeah.
Makes it so different.
Yeah, Art Deco. And I don't know who Art was, but because Art Glass here.
Yeah.
Anything we should cover before we wrap things up?
That's pretty much it.
Yeah.
It's a lot of fun to drive.
And I just love the grill and all the Art Deco and the lettering of the Chevrolet. Very cool. Well, Greg, thank you so much for sharing your truck with us and telling us the story behind it. And thanks for tolerating my butchering your name so many times.
Quite all right.
Well, thank you again.